Now let's learn how to enable internet speed meter. This A07 mobile not come with default internet speed meter, so we want to download third party application. Go to your mobile Play Store and search here internet speed meter Lite. After you can install this application, after you can open it and click on grant permissions option. Now you can exit on this application. Now you can see internet speed meter on your mobile top area like this. You can see your mobile data usage. If you tap your mobile notification panel, you can see your mobile usage and Wi-Fi usage and speed, signal capacity.